woodworking with green trees that I milled myself. So I'm learning and I'm making mistakes. This is a piece for a tabletop that I'm working on, and I'm using green wood instead of store-bought because the wide pieces are so darn expensive. I had dried this wood for roughly 2 years now, and it was reading 14%, nearly 15% moisture. I do not own a kiln, so I was unable to do kiln work or kiln dry it. And I was thinking 14% is pretty darn close, and I would be able to pull it off. Well, here's one piece, and I had them stacked, and this one piece is pretty darn close to flat. Right? However, it is still showing, and it's still showing nearly 15% moisture. Now, I had the second piece because I needed to, and you can see from this angle, this piece is nowhere near flat. And you can see that there is a pretty significant gap underneath. Now, when I do the moisture meter on this one, it is reading 14.2%. So from 8% drying to on the edge caused this much of a warp. Now this is a nice piece of wood, so I'm going to try to salvage it as best as I can. But it is a lesson to be learned when working with wet or green wood. You need to get it down to a percentage of moisture that is acceptable.
Finally, just remember, after every woodworking project, you should always count your fingers. You end with 10, good job.